Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a take profit order on Kraken in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's just jump straight into the video. First step, of course, is going to be to log into your Kraken account, which you can do on the website. So just go to Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're going to navigate to the trading page by clicking on the trade tab. Next, you're going to select the market that you wish to trade, such as BTC to euros or Ethereum to US dollars, whatever it is. Go ahead and select that. And next, you're going to set up your take profit order. So just set up your take profit order by entering the price at which you want to sell your cryptocurrency, and that's going to set the order to take profit at that specific price. And you can always confirm your take profit order by clicking on the set take profit button. And then from there, you can monitor your take profit order by checking your Kraken account balance as well as your transaction history. And at any point in time, you can also adjust your take profit order as needed. That's going to help you to optimize your trades. And don't forget to close your take profit order by just clicking on the close button whenever you want to close that. And you can always just withdraw your funds to your bank account or your cryptocurrency wallet. That's pretty much it on how to set up a take profit order on Kraken in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next.